بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا.
Was there a period of time when man was not even worthy of a mention?
إنا خلقنا الإنسان من نطفة أمشاج نبتليه فجعلناه سميعا بصيرا.
Verily, we created man out of a drop of intermingled sperm, so that we might try him, and we therefore endowed him with hearing and sight.
إنا هديناه السبيل إما شاكرا وإما كفورا.
Surely, we showed him the right path, regardless of whether he chooses to be thankful or unthankful to his Lord.
إنا أعتدنا للكافرين سلاسل وأغلالا وسعيرا.
For the unbelievers, we have kept ready chains and fetters and a blazing fire.
إن الأبرار يشربون من كأس كان مزاجها كافورا.
The virtuous shall drink from a cup tempered with camphor water.
عينا يشرب بها عباد الله يفجرونها تفجيرا.
This will be a gushing spring, wherefrom Allah's servants shall drink wine, a spring from which they will take out channels wherever they wish.
يوفون بالنذر ويخافون يوما كان شره مستطيرا.
These will be the ones who fulfill their vows and dread the day, whose woe shall be spread far and wide.
ويطعمون الطعام على حبه مسكينا ويتيما وأسيرا.
Those who for the love of him feed the needy and the orphan and the captive.
إنما نطعمكم لوجه الله إنما نطعمكم لوجه الله لا نريد منكم جزاء ولا شكورا.
Saying, we feed you only for Allah's sake. We do not seek of you any recompense or thanks.
إنا نخاف من ربنا يوما عبوسا قمطريرا.
We fear from our Lord a day that shall be long and distressful.
فوقاهم الله شر ذلك اليوم ولقاهم نضرة وسرورا.
So Allah shall guard them against the woe of that day and will procure them freshness and joy.
وجزاهم بما صبروا جنة وحريرا.
And will reward them for their steadfastness with paradise and robes of silk.
متكئين فيها على الأرائك لا يرون فيها شمسا ولا زمهريرا.
they will recline on elevated couches and will be subjected neither to the burning heat of the sun nor to bitter cold.
ودانية عليهم ظلالها وذللت قطوفها تذليلا.
The shades of paradise will bend over them, and its fruits will be brought within their easy reach.
ويطاف عليهم بآنية من فضة وأكواب كانت قواريرا.
And there shall be passed around them vessels of silver and goblets of crystal.
قوارير من فضة قدروها تقديرا.
Goblets, bright as crystal, but made of silver, filled to exact measure.
ويسقون فيها كأسا كان مزاجها زنجبيلا.
Therein they shall be served a cup flavored with ginger.
عينا فيها تسمى سلسبيلا.
Drawn from a spring in paradise called Salsabil.
ويطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون إذا رأيتهم حسبتهم لؤلؤا منثورا.
Their boys of everlasting youth shall go about attending them. When you see them, you will think that they are scattered pearls.
وإذا رأيت ثم رأيت نعيما وملكا كبيرا.
Whitherto you look around, you will see an abundance of bliss and the glories of a great kingdom.
عاليهم ثياب سندس خضر واستبرق وحلوا أساور من فضة وسقاهم ربهم شرابا طهورا.
They, that is the virtuous, shall be attired in garments of fine green silk and rich brocade, and will be adorned with bracelets of silver. Their Lord will give them a pure wine to drink.
إن هذا كان لكم جزاء وكان سعيكم مشكورا.
Behold, this is your recompense, and your endeavor has been appreciated.
إنا نحن نزلنا عليك القرآن تنزيلا.
O Prophet, indeed we have revealed the Quran to you in portions.
فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تطع منهم آثما أو كفورا.
So persevere with the command of your Lord, and do not pay any heed to the wicked and the unbelieving.
واذكر اسم ربك بكرة وأصيلا.
And remember the name of your Lord morning and evening.
ومن الليل فاسجد له وسبحه ليلا طويلا.
And prostrate yourself before him at night, and extol his glory during the long watches of the night.
إن هؤلاء يحبون العاجلة ويذرون وراءهم يوما ثقيلا.
Verily, they love the good of this world that is hastily obtainable, and are oblivious of the burdensome day ahead of them.
نحن خلقناهم وشددنا أسرهم وإذا شئنا بدلنا وبدلنا أمثالهم تبديلا.
We created them and strengthened their joints, and whenever we wish, we can change their faces entirely.
إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
Verily, this is an exhortation, so let him whoso will take a way to his Lord.
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما.
But your willing shall be of no avail until Allah Himself so wills. Surely Allah is all-knowing, most wise.
يدخل من يشاء في رحمته والظالمين أعد لهم عذابا أليما.
He admits to His mercy whomsoever He pleases. As for the wrongdoers, He has prepared for them a grievous chastisement.